So if you want arepas, for pizza.
Te pasaste, Genevieve. Alright, so I'm in the car. Baby said to get ready because we were gonna go on a little date, nothing crazy. We haven't been on a date in so long. We've been so busy traveling and just doing little repairs and things in the house. So we haven't gone on an actual little date in ages. So here we go. I don't know where we're going. Are you gonna say where we're going, babe?
No.
All right. So I guess I'll figure it out soon. So excited. I'm trying to play it cool, but I'm really excited.
All right.
I love you, baby. Okay, so we're just gonna enjoy the rest of the night, but I'll share the location with you guys in case you wanna have a romantic night with your special person.
Not that bad. It's not that bad.
All right, so today I actually decided to stick around southwest side of Miami. We're in Kendall, and we came to explore a spot that I've been wanting to check out for the longest time ever, but I hadn't gotten a chance to. And it's called Aguacate. That's it, Aguacate. And actually my friends got me a gift card because, you know, I told them like I wanted to come so bad, but then when they were in town, I was not able to come with them because I was working. So they gave me a gift card and they were like, you know, you gotta go. So I'm gonna be showing it today. I already walked in, I made an order, and it's all vegan food. So I'll do a little review of my food, but let me show you the entrance to this place. It's so cute. It's right on the highway in Kendall. All right, food reviews. French toast, amazing. They give you Nutella and like syrup. So I did Nutella because I love chocolate. This is so good. All right, what else? I got guac, super good. They didn't give me corn chips. They give me plantain chips, but you know, good still. And Jen got a burger, bean-based burger. I think
Sorry.
she's afraid of the roosters and the chickens, and they're everywhere.
No, but he's like dipping. Oh, baby.
Oh, they're here for food. Okay, I got it.
Oh, that one stole it. He took it. And now that guy's going for it.
And I also got a smoothie based dragon fruit. It's got dragon fruit, coconut water, green apples, and a bunch of other stuff, but it's delicious. All vegan. Super good. I'm excited. Is that your girlfriend? What about all of the other chicks?
Oh my god.
Alright, so look at this. I got one of these little book houses. I don't know what they're called, but pretty much I believe they're free books, so you can take a book. Aren't these like the super famous ones with like erotic stories? Anyway, yeah, they're free, so you can take a book if you like, read them, and then you can bring back your old books. So cute. Let's see if I take one. Which one do you guys think I'll take? And if you do come, do not forget to go across the street. There's like a little petting farm. Look at that one. It's so hairy. You're such a hairy chicken. Look at all the animals. Oh my god, there's so many. Wow. This place is amazing. That one's angry. It's like biting it, like barking. Oh my god, that's a big cow. Hello, Goatsy. Let's look at the angry one. You're missing a horn. What happened? Why is your friend so angry? What's going on? Why is he so mad? Alright, I am sweating. Sorry about that. Look at what I just found. I don't think I've ever seen this in person. I'm a city girl, so I've never really seen it in person. I did not grab them. They were already here, but I'm just gonna show you. Do you see it? They're like real eggs. Look at how little they are. I've literally never seen one. Like natural one, like not from the grocery store. Like I've never seen one like out and about like this, you know? Especially when you get them in the grocery store, you gotta put them in the freezer, otherwise they go bad. But these ones are just sitting here, you know? So crazy. I wonder what they do with this. Because we're a vegan restaurant, so what do they do with these eggs? Why are they here? Shouldn't they be like with the chicken? Look at this little buddy. She's hiding here. Hello. Such a cutie. Oh, you're such a cute little thing.
I hungry, it's fresh. Look, I brought it just for you. Guys?
Why don't you pet it?
No. Baby steps, I'll give him food.
He's so big. You are a big boy. You're very scary. You could run me over so easily. You could tear down this thing and just squish me. But you're good. You're not gonna do that. Right? Right. This is the life that I deserve. Just taking a mud bath, chilling, surrounded by baby duckies. So Jen just told me that she read a sign that said that these two guys here, they were saved from a slaughterhouse here in Miami. And now they're living the life. Look at that. Relaxation. Okay, I'm back with my allergies, but today's a project day, so I started with putting back my rug that I washed myself because my doggies over there, look at them, they look so innocent. But anyway, they kept walking in here and sleeping here, and this whole thing was like gray in the middle from their hair. So now it looks nice and clean, and that was the project for this room, for my closet, my favorite room in the house. And today I want to work on another portion of the house. Let me show you. Hey, baby. Where's the other one? Hi, baby. All right. So let's go into this other bedroom. This rug I also clean. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this desk stuff into this corner, and then I'm gonna make that whole section into a little journaling, yoga. It's just gonna be my space. Like I want a corner in the house that's just mine. So I'm gonna be doing yoga. I'm gonna put a TV right there so I can put my training videos and stuff on there. And then, so this whole area from here to there is gonna be like yoga, like working out. I'm gonna put a mat on the floor, like a permanent mat, like a gym mat. The ones are like thick. And then on that corner, I'm thinking to put like a very comfy chair and like bookshelves, so I can put all my books in that corner and make it like my reading corner. And yeah, you're not gonna be on that again because that's why I have to wash it. Get off the rug. No, Gitana, move. Well, I guess she didn't get that. So yeah, and on here I'm gonna put a big ass TV, and I guess I can put the sofa. I mean, this is pretty big. So let's say I move this, you know, this way. You know, this can be, you know, I can put a sofa right there. Look at her. Maybe I can move this fridge. No, that fridge is perfect there. So I'm gonna leave the fridge there. We're gonna put the office stuff on this corner. The TV can be here and the sofa can be like there. I guess that will not fit. So maybe I'll move it to this wall and I'll get rid of this. That could be a plan. All right, so I'm gonna work on that today and see what I can do. I don't have a sofa for here yet, but everything else can be done today. So that's what that's what I'm gonna be working on. And I guess, I mean, I had the desk over here before. That's why you can see those things there. So I guess they're just gonna be left there. So let's see how that looks. Right, baby? You're in mommy's new yoga studio. Get out of there. Come here. Good girl. Good girl, baby. Good girl. You're such a good girl. Yeah. Sit. Good girl, baby. You're such a good little girl. Alright, so I'm on a mission to find a chair, and I just realized that Jen took my car and bought herself a big mirror, and now I didn't take it out of the car. She didn't take it out of the car, and I didn't see it, and I didn't take it out of the car. So now I'm gonna have to fit a chair and a big mirror in my trunk. It should be fun. Yeah, if I would have seen it, I would have taken it out of the car, but I didn't see it and she didn't take it out. So I guess you'll see this when I finish this video. Thank you, baby, for leaving me a big mirror and a car for me to take care of. Love you. I gotta love her. Alright, there's great lighting here and there's nobody around, so I'm just gonna record this quickly. The whole chair situation. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna get it today because I don't want to spend a bunch of money on that chair, but you know what, I need it, I deserve it. That's the excuse that we all use to buy shit. But anyway, I'm gonna go and try to find it I'm at home, what's this place? Home Goods. I'm at Home Goods. So I'm gonna see if I find one here. If not, I'm gonna go to Ross and then I'm gonna go somewhere else to see if I can find it. And yeah, my last stop is gonna be Target because I know they're gonna have kind of like a chair, like a reading chair, like a comfortable reading chair, but it's gonna be super expensive. So I'm gonna go to all the other stores first and see if I can find it. And if I don't find it, then, you know, Jen, it's fine. It was okay that you left your in my back seat. I didn't need the space anyway, all right? So let's see what I can find here. So I think not. I don't see any chairs. This is gonna be hectic. Oh, maybe that one there. See the blue one? Let's see. All right, it's cute. Maybe this could work if I do it with like one of those things and I can rest my feet on it. This is pretty cute. I think that could work. What do y'all think? Alright, there it is. I think I'm gonna go to Ross, see if I can find something better there and cheaper. If not, then I'm gonna come back for that one. Alright, here we go. Let's see what we find at Ross. Alright. If this is it, okay, there's a little more. Ooh. Okay. I think I found it. This corner one. This is freaking perfect. Okay, hold on. All right, here's a better view. How freaking cute is this? This is me struggling to put this. Okay. I love it. All right, now let's look at the price. Yeah, I'm obviously shameless. Those ladies were looking at me like, what the hell? All right. So this was originally $280 and right now is, I'm falling, $89. The other one that we saw at Home Goods, sorry, it wasn't Home Goods, it was Marshall's. That one, shoot, staying out of focus. That one was $100 and it was dirty. So this one's $89. All right, we're getting this. Okay, ignore the hair. This is what I look like right now. So I did find something and I'm so glad that I didn't settle for the one at Marshall's, because like I found the cutest one, but look at this now. I had to put the glass outside the window to be able to fit everything in the back seat. So I'm gonna go home now and show Jen what happened. See what she has to say. Okay, I'm gonna try to see if I can get her reaction. I don't think she's gonna say anything, but if she does, I'm recording. Let's see. I already called her and I said, meet me downstairs. So hopefully she's already downstairs. But I'm gonna try to record a little bit. Okay, let's see what I can get. She's outside. Yeah, I noticed that you forgot to take that out of the car.
I have been recording stuff all day today too.
Yeah? I was trying to get your reaction.
What is it?
A
whole little couch?
Yeah.
You just went to Ross?
Yeah.
How was it? You also can't go into the office until I'm done.
Why?
It's part of your surprise.
Okay.
Okay.
I wanted to get your reaction. I've been talking about you this entire time. I mean, not but I was like, oh look, she left me a little surprise. Now I have to figure out how to fit a whole chair and a mirror.
I'm so ready. Keep your eyes closed. No, shut up. You're gonna sit right here. Sit. Don't go front. Go. Sit. Sit down. Sit down here. Just sit. Kitana. Kitana, go away. Baby, you gotta sit right. Sit back. Bring your booty back. Okay, keep your eyes closed. Okay, like that. Kitana. Okay, hold on. Okay. You can open your eyes. Oh, that's so good. cute, baby. It's not 100% finished. I have to fix the cables. But
No, that's exactly where I wanted the mirror. That is so pretty.
I tried putting in a chair. Those are mine. I donated them to you. I had this idea since last night, but I thought you would have been pissed if I did it last night. And the idea is...
Alright, circling back to my orchids, I would like to provide you with a much needed update. Please look at my babies. Aren't they so beautiful? I'm gonna add another video here of what it looked like before. By the way, both these orchids have had flowers. The one to your left has had flowers twice, and this is the first time that this one to my right gives me flowers naturally. You're gonna give us a tour? Yeah? Alright, let's go. Let's show people what we did over the weekend. Alright. Unfortunately, I was not able to finish everything, but we did do a lot. Again, we moved the desk from there to here. Thanks, Kitty. That's very cute. This is what's gonna be on the floor over there. I put the TV up there, a mirror. Ooh, I look like a crazy person. And yeah, Jen's actually doing kind of like a design. You're gonna see that this looks completely different from what she had done. But you know, we thought about it and we were like, okay, let's do something different. So she already had done a design, but she changed her mind. We didn't like it. So now she's gonna do something different there. And yeah, we added the mirror, the TV, so that we can do guided classes here, or I can do, because this is gonna be my little corner. I think maybe I should try to like, yeah, nah, it's fine. All right, so that's gonna go over there. I was gonna take that, but then I remember that we have these weights, so probably that's gonna go back down, or maybe we'll just put it over here, like in a corner. Anyway, too much talking. I want to show you what I did with that chair that I bought, because it didn't fit in there. Okay, let me go back. It didn't fit there, so now I had to buy another chair, like a small one, and put it in that corner right there. Yeah, it's small space. So my other sunroom, I think this was our call, is a lot bigger, but this one's a little smaller. So that chair that I bought it was too big. So let's go over here. So I'll show you what I did. Wait, let me open this so we have some light. There we go. Welcome to my bedroom where the magic happens. All right, so I think I'm gonna change this bed for a king bed because we have a lot of room. This room is giant. I actually built in a walk-in closet and I extended it to this area because it's so big, you know, and I needed a big closet. That's how big this room is. And it's still pretty big. I mean, I still have a lot of room. So anyway, I had the doghouse right here, so I moved it over there. And I put the chair over here. Look, it is so cute. Right now I'm using it to work. I kind of like organized it a little bit for the video, but yeah, this is in reality, I'm using it to work. I've been working there for the past few days and it's amazing. I've been using it to edit too. Part of the first a little dirty. I've had a lot of workers here and you know, the dogs, and we're moving things around, so it's a little dirty. I still have all the marks on the walls, like snow decoration, from all the little things that, you know, that I had the workers kind of like fix up. These doors need to be painted. So there's a lot going on still. So yeah, but I wanted to show what I did. So we're not gonna get a final result on this video, unfortunately, but I will show it on my next video. So next Wednesday, I'll show the final result with everything, the chair, the mat, everything, candles, plants. I'm just gonna make it so cozy and nice that I'm gonna wanna live there. And yeah, that's all. Say bye, baby. Weren't you supposed to do the tour? Huh? What happened? What happened? You're such a cutie. You are such a cutie. Sit. Cutie. My cute little girl. Say bye. Patika. Bye. Bye. Back to my home base down in Miami. I just want to remind you guys to please like, comment, and subscribe. But most importantly, please subscribe. And also go and find me on all of my social media platforms under Jet Lag Gal. Thanks.